Hey, what's up guys? I want to show you how to create a cool little ASCII table in F#. So you want to open up your console right here and type in .NET. Make sure that you have the .NET SDK installed, and you can check to make sure you have a version of at least, I don't know when, I think they're on like 9 or 10 right now, so I need to upgrade, but this will be fine. Create our little header up here. I love this little addition sign and the little dashes. So we're going to open up the F#.NET FSI. This is the interactive console. Okay, so let's do the little header right here, and then do printfn, and then for this we're going to have the des, the hex, okay, binary, and then character. I think that looks good. Nope. Let's do it just like that. That looks good enough for government work. Okay. And then the bottom of this. Oh, what am I doing? Let's just copy this or paste that in there. Okay, so now we need to get the we need to loop over the ASCII code. So we do for I in 32, which is going to be the white space to the tilde, I believe. I think, don't quote me on that. Well, I guess we'll see in a couple minutes. Okay, so printf right here, and we're gonna do the decimal integer, which is gonna be %d, and we're gonna use 3 right there, and then for the hexadecimal we're gonna do O(x) and then %, and then O2, and then capital X for uppercase. And then for the binary, we're going to be using a string, but we're going to have the width of that to 8. And then for the character, it's just going to be %C. And then we can close that out just like that. Do I have this right? I think I do. Let me double check 1 second. Okay, so, excuse me. Oh, I keep burping like crazy. Excuse me, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. So I think we have that right, and then down here we need to do, make sure that you do 2 tabs, and then we're going to call the I right here. And then for this we need to do, for the binary, we're going to do System.Convert.ToString, taking that ASCII code, and then do base 2 for binary. And then we're going to pad this puppy left 8, and then put that with excuse me, put that with zeros, then close that out. And then for this we're going to do we're going to cast this to Char. That should get our character, and let's press enter a couple times. Let's get our printf. Okay, this should work. I think I have everything right. So printf, and then if we need to so all code must be terminated with the double semicolons to be evaluated. So you just want to do 2 semicolons like this, press enter. We got it, let's go. Decimal hex binary characters. Okay, so yeah, the next step is probably do some ANSI escape codes, and we can make this look even more beautiful. Like we can have this whole row like blue, and then green, and like an orange or something. But I'll paste this code in the description below. Yeah, so this is awesome little F# stuff. I just wanted to share. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Woo!